You are coughing a lot and you don't know what to take. Well, first things we have to think about, is this a productive wet cough where we're getting mucus out, or is this a dry, unproductive cough? If we have an unproductive cough, we want to actually add some moisture back in to expel that mucus out. So things like licorice root and lobelia can be really helpful, as well as wild cherry. If you have a really dry, spastic cough, you are coughing up a lung in a coffee shop, we need to calm that down. So something like lobelia can actually help to expand your lungs so you can breathe deeper and calm down.